It's easy to see in images of Pluto that the surface is pretty varied. But why are some areas dark, others brighter, and the surface overall red, just not everywhere? Pluto is tinted reddish because of tholins, the gunk that falls to the surface after UV light reacts with atmospheric methane. These hydrocarbons are dark, and scientists expect they become darker the longer they sit on the surface. High-energy radiation from cosmic rays or sunlight strips away the hydrogen in these compounds, leaving behind very dark carbon. But there is also brighter material on the surface, namely volatiles like nitrogen, methane ice, and carbon monoxide. So why are these materials distributed unevenly over the surface? Topography might be one factor. New Horizons team members have found that bright methane ice deposits in high regions on the tops of mountains and the rims of craters. Nitrogen, meanwhile, tends to gather in low regions like Sputnik Planum. Both these volatile ices can move around Pluto fairly easily during its seasonal cycles, so they easily sublimate and redeposit. So this means that Pluto might be covered in dark material, but bright ices build up in certain areas. It's a hypothesis supported by layering that team members have seen in the walls of tectonic scarps and exposed areas near craters. It's also possible that sunlight keeps some areas warm enough to stop the bright frost from building up, so the dark material underneath can be seen, and being darker, it will absorb more light and stay slightly warmer to stop that frost buildup. As for the distribution of red areas, it's possible that some as of yet unknown process is making it so the reddish tholins are being concentrated in some areas more than others. This is still a bit of a mystery that the New Horizons team will be researching more as more data comes back from the spacecraft.